Hello and welcome to another update video. I want to talk about Enjin Coin. Haven't talked about it for 3 days now, and I feel it's time because we're currently breaking above a very important level. At least we're trying to, and we're going to take a look at that. This is the 8-hour chart, but I think we're going to go to the 1-hour chart because here we can see that is when I made the last video. On the chart we had identified a bull flag which broke out to the upside, so bullish consolidation. After that move to the upside, we found support here at the 200-day moving average a couple of times, and the last time we did that, it actually pushed us up out of the bull flag. We had a retest of the bull flag, which is perfect. It's textbook like. So you came above that bull flag, retested, and then accelerated away from it. Really good. Now what we didn't want to move that. What we then had was a bullish consolidation. However, we couldn't get above that previous high here at 190. So we failed, we dropped down again, but we continued to consolidate bullish close to that 187 line here. I think it probably is rather 190 to be honest. But you had various resistance levels at 187 as well. So it's probably a zone between 187 and 190, right? So that is pretty much that level here. And we tried it again, we failed again. So we dropped all the way, reconfirmed that level down here, which is that 173 level, resistance, support here, it was resistance before, quite an important level. But then from yesterday onwards, we have started to move up again, and last bullish consolidation before the breakout above that 187 level, moved up, found resistance again at the 190 level or 191, and we are currently retesting that 187 level. So we are currently actually finding support here, and we are sort of in this range now, but we are consolidating bullish. As long as we can stay above that 187 level, I think we're coiling up for a move to my initial target level, or my immediate target level, which is the $2 level. That's the next one, the obvious next one. I mean, we are not in all-time high territory yet anyway. We're only at around 50% of the all-time high anyway at the moment, which is good, you know, which gives us a lot of scope actually to move to the upside, in my opinion. What is also positive, we are above all the moving averages, above the 200, above the 20, above the 50. We had a bullish cross here on the 21st of October. And yeah, we are currently, I think, consolidating bullish. If we zoom in, you can see that this is looking like another, you know, like bull flag maybe, or bullish pennant. What is really striking? I mean, look at the volume we had. Look at the volume. We suddenly get a lot of volume here. Look how that has gone up. It's massive. Yeah, look at the volume. That tells me that there is a lot of interest here, and I think we could get above that 190 level and then to $2. I think we're consolidating bullish now, looking good at the moment. Anything else? Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. 4-hour on the indicators show us that we have scope to the upside on the RSI, and the MACD made actually a buy signal. You can see that here. Let me just move that in. Here on the MACD, we had a buy signal actually today. So it had a bullish crossover. The MACD line crossed above the indicator line, and that can indicate that we have further moves here to the upside. Let's see what the daily is doing. On the daily, we are still in the green here on the MACD, actually just accelerating the move to the upside. And on the larger picture, we can actually see where we are. I mean, I talked about the breakouts of Enjin Coin when we were down here at 173. It is one of the cryptos I made you aware about before we broke out. I actually talked about it already when we were down here at 150, and its potential to move up, because that was something like a cup and handle here. Not a beautiful one, but on the larger scale, I mean here cup and handle. So on a larger scale, on a smaller scale, this inverse head and shoulders, which is currently just in the making still. And or actually we're waiting for the final breakout here. And on a larger scale, you have this cup and handle, and when that breaks, and that will be at around the 215 level. Yeah, it's not quite clear because we've got various, but around 215 to 220. So when that is breaking, I mean, we could get to levels like 290 or 350, something like that, or even then to the $4 level. And I think the all-time high this year will be achievable, even more maybe. So this is still not too late to get into Enjin Coin in my point of view, especially not considering that the alt season is still coming, considering we're only at around 50%, not even 50%, even a little bit less of the all-time high, which was at $4.03. So yeah, I think it has a lot to catch up still, even though we already made impressive gains in the last few days and weeks, from all the way down here at 130 pretty much. I think that's even when I started to cover it, somewhere here in that descending channel. We talked about this bullish consolidation and the potential breakout to the upside. Yes, so we have been tracking it, have been following it. I think we've been quite accurate on this channel about the potential of Enjin Coin and what to do next. And currently it is still on its way up, in my view, now to the $2 level next. Now, should we drop? I want to emphasize that as well, because I don't have a crystal ball here. Nobody has it. And if we drop, I think we'll find instant support here at the 174 level, where we were only yesterday. Below that, we've got straight away at 170, the 200-day moving average. Just below that, the 20-day moving average. And I mean, these will provide support. Should we really lose them, then we'll find support probably at around 160 here, which is very close to the 50-day moving average, or that previous low here, which is at 158. So pretty much around 160. So there's various support levels just underneath us, which provide good support and emphasize the potential of Enjin Coin to move up. Another potential, yeah, I mean, should we really not hold that level here? And at the moment we've slightly dropped below 174, but I think that's pretty much where it is. Pretty much right now where we are finding support. Should we really lose that and we get down to 174, there is of course the potential that we then bounce off here and give it another go. All right, so hope you liked that update about Enjin Coin. If you did, please smash the like button, and hope you liked the video, and then also subscribe and leave a comment. That would be great. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.